Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Corpse Bride filter, or some people call it the little spooky filter, just on Instagram. And then of course, once you have the filter on Instagram, you can then record a video of yourself or take a photo of yourself and then go ahead and post it and share it on other social media such as TikTok and Snapchat. Anyhow, to get this filter, you want to go over to Instagram. You want to go over to your Discover page and just search for an account called Page Pie Skin. Just Page Pie Skin. Click on the account. And then when the filters tab loads up, click on the filters tab, scroll down, and then you will see the little spooky filter right here. And then of course, like all filters, you can either try it out here or you can save it to your camera roll and use it again later and then post it to other social medias. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.